Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make today's pledge in the I Am Sober application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the application, you can just wait a little bit now, and after that you can just look in the bottom of your screen and press on the today section here, and you can just press on make today's pledge, and you can just simply press on I will stay sober today. And that's pretty much it. You can just simply exit now and it's done. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.